How to create a Gmail account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Gmail application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. Here is a text field for logging in or sign in. Since we are trying to create a new account, you have to go for create account option. You have to select whether you want to create a Gmail account for yourself or to manage your business. Here I'm going for myself. And in this section, you need to enter your first name and last name, but last name is optional. And once you're done, you can go for next. Here you need to enter your basic information that includes your birthday and gender. Once you are done entering the basic information, you have to move for next. And in this section, you need to create a username. You can use letters, numbers, and periods for creating a username. And here you need to create a strong password. Remember, to create a strong password, you need to mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you're done creating a password, you have to go for next. And finally, here you need to enter your phone number. It's for your verification. So you have to simply tap on the phone number and enter. Once you're done, you can go for next. And you have to review your account info. If it's all okay, then you have to go for next. Here are the privacy and terms of Google. You have to read if you want, and after reading, you can go for I agree option. And finally, you can see my account has been created. So this is how you create a Gmail account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.